Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to unhide your columns on your sheets on Google Sheets. As you can see here, I have all my columns unhidden. So to hide them, all I have to do is to select them, right click, and I'll go to hide. As you can see, this group between the C and H columns are hidden now. Let's do this for another group of columns and I will hide them. As you can see, I have two groups of columns that are hidden. To unhide them, all I have to do is to go to this group or where I hide my columns. As you can see, a new button appears here or new icons appears here between the group of the columns. And as you can see, the button is clickable. So if I click on this one, my group of columns will be unhidden. Let's do this as well for the other group of columns, and I will go to this icon here or this button, and I will click, and automatically it will unhide my hidden columns. This go as well as for the rows. If you hide your rows, all you have to do is to click on the button that will appears again. So let's click on it, and as you can see, the rows are unhidden now. So this is how you unhide your columns on your spreadsheet on Google Sheets. Thank you for watching and goodbye.